Good day, everyone. I am Blasame P. Samonte, a college librarian and a graduate student of Masters of Library and Information Science at Lourdes College. Today, I am going to discuss research, the title of Artificial Intelligence Literacy, Awareness of Institutional Policies, and Self-Regulation Skills as predictors of students' adherence to academic integrity. Rationale of the study. In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, information literacy has expanded to include digital and technological competences. Librarians help students navigate this new information environment, including artificial intelligence tools, responsibly. Current research largely emphasizes AI usability or technological impact, with limited focus on its ethical implications. This gap becomes even more significant in the Philippine educational context, where both AI literacy and academic integrity education are still developing. This study aims to examine if AI literacy, along with self regulation skills and institutional policy awareness, influence students' adherence to academic integrity. The goal is to generate insights to help academic institutions, educators, and librarians to create more effective programs and policies that foster ethical and responsible use of AI tools in academic settings. This study is grounded with three theories, which is the self-paced learning, technology acceptance model, and theory of planned behavior. The methods was used was descriptive correlational designed within survey questionnaire instruments with the participants of 363 students from a university enrolled in the second semester academic year 2024-2025 from a total population of 3,894 students. Statistical use was descriptive statistic and multiple regression. Results and discussion. So there are five problems within this research. Problem one is what is the level of students' AI literacy in terms of recognizing AI application and assessing AI application? So based on the table one, the overall mean is 3.86 with an interpretation of high and a standard deviation of 0.61. The mean indicates that participants have a powerful confidence and understanding in AI applications. Problem two, what is the participant extent of awareness of their institutional policies on academic integrity? It, it has an overall mean of 4.34 with an interpretation of high and a standard deviation of 0.77. The mean indicates a high level of awareness among students regarding institutional policies on academic integrity, suggesting clear and well communicated guidelines. Problem three. What is the participant's level of self regulation skills in terms of planning, monitoring, and evaluating? With an overall means based on the table 3 of 4.04 with a high interpretation and a standard deviation of 0.60. The mean indicates that students demonstrate a high level of skills in planning, monitoring, and evaluating, showing that they can effectively monitor and control their behavior. Problem four. What is the level of participants' adherence to academic integrity in terms of courage, fairness, honesty, respect, responsibility, and trust? So based on the table 4, it has an overall mean of 4.24 with an interpretation of high and a standard deviation of 0.60. It indicates that students demonstrate a high level of adherence to courage, fairness, honesty, respect, responsibility, and trust. This implies they have the commitment in maintaining ethical conduct even when faced temptation to misuse AI tools. Lastly, problem five. Do participants' AI literacy, awareness of institutional policies and academic integrity, self regulation skills significantly influence their adherence to academic integrity? So based on Table 5 in a regression analysis, it says that findings imply that these factors positively shape participants' ethical behavior, therefore significantly influence their adherence to academic factors. So conclusion, high AI literacy promotes ethical use. Yes, students who demonstrate a strong ability to recognize and assess AI tools tends to use them more responsibly. Self-regulation is key in academic decision making. Why? Students with strong relationship skills are more likely to resist academic dishonesty, even when AI tools are easily accessible. Three, policy awareness supports integrity. Yes, when students are aware of institutional policies regarding academic integrity and the use of AI, they are more likely to follow them. With that, the theories of planned behavior, technology acceptance model, and self-paced learning were confirmed in the study, explaining the influence of these variables to students' academic integrity, encouraging academic institutions to help students adapt to modern technology responsibly. For recommendation, for university administrators, they may consider drafting a framework on AI to incorporate student AI literacy, ethical use, and adherence to academic integrity. For faculty members, to integrate structured activities that requires the learners to analyze AI-generated content and promote ethical decision making. For librarians, to intensify information literacy program with inclusion of responsible use of AI. And for future researchers, they may explore the relationship between AI literacy and academic integrity using different methods and contexts. For the impact, the study can be seen in the following areas. Policy development. Academic institutions may use the findings to craft or enhance policies related to AI. Uses in academic settings, ensuring students are guided by clear ethical standards. Curriculum and training programs. Schools can integrate AI literacy and digital ethics into the curriculum, helping students understand not only how to use AI tools, but also and why do you use them responsibly. Librarian and information services. Librarians and library services can broaden their information literacy program to include AI focused components, further supporting students' ethical engagement with digital technologies. And lastly, research and innovation. Yes, the study can serve as reference point for future research, encouraging further exploration into digital ethics, educational technology, and student behavior in the age of AI. Insights. So, based on the findings, several important insights emerge. One is AI literacy should be framed within information literacy. Why? Since AI literacy extends from the foundation of information literacy, which is traditionally guided by library services and librarians, educators should take a more active role in integrating AI concept into student learning. Lastly, academic integrity is a shared responsibility. Why? Because promoting academic integrity in the age of AI is not sole responsibility of students. It requires collaborative effort from administrators, educators, librarians to provide clear policies, effective instruction, and ethical guidance. So thank you for your time and I'll be happy to answer any questions.